Alright, so in this short video we are going to talk about adding keyframes to stickers and emojis. As I have a video here, stock video, drag this video to your timeline and it would be here right now, and directly go to your stickers, and here you can see a sticker. I can add this sticker and now increase the duration of this sticker here and bring it anywhere, and you can see there is a diamond button right now here at this one, scale and position, and in this section you can see a diamond button appears. Now you just keep moving, and at close distances you keep giving these diamonds here. I call them diamond, these are keyframes. So wherever you want to increase this one here. Alright, so that's one here. I want to increase this one a little bit here, and alright, so here at this place I want to make it smaller, move and find, move, and at this place I move it back and make it bigger like this one, entire screen, and here I make it smaller, and now you see smaller, and this place, and here I bring it here. Now boom, disappeared. Go back, play the video. Boom, it's done. You can also do one more thing for this one. I have some stock videos, and in the meantime I have some pictures and logos here. For example, I have this one, Instagram logo, right? It's a JPEG, a transparent one. You go to this place and drag and drop here at this place and move to the timeline. Similar procedure would be there. So if you want this one here, click on the scale again, and now scale it here. Now I'm gonna delete this sticker right now. Here, boom. If you want to talk about your Instagram like this one, so you can scale the emojis, stickers, and these transparent pictures as well. And if you want to increase or decrease the transition, you can simply decrease the size or make these diamond buttons here very close to each other. Like here is one scale is here, and I just make it this one and zoom this timeline very close distance. At this place you make it bigger here, and very close distance again, and make it like this one, and now you play, it would be like that. If you want to make it more smoother, more nicer, then you can do that. I hope you like the video. If you like, thumbs up and subscribe. I'll see you in another video. Bye bye.